Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to compute Poisson probabilities using Excel. So assume that X has a Poisson distribution and that mu is equal to 10. So mu here is the average. Sometimes people use lambda for the average as well. Compute the probability that X equals 8 and compute the probability that X is less than or equal to 5. Alright, so let's do it. So step 1 is to left click on one of the cells and then press equals. Then just type in Poisson, there it is, Poisson.dist, and then parentheses. So first it wants x, so in this case x will be 8. Then comma. Then it wants the mean, so in our case the mean is 10, which is mu. Again, some textbooks use lambda for the mean. Then it says cumulative, so in this case we have an equal sign. So because we have an equal sign, we want to type in false. Okay, so you want to type in false whenever you have an equal sign. Then just hit enter, and there is your answer. All right, let's do the next one. So this is the probability that x is less than or equal to 5. So again, we'll type in equals, and then Poisson.dist parentheses. Notice that when you press the parentheses, it tells you what you have to type in. So it reminds you of the format, which is really, really convenient. So first we'll type in the 5. Then the mean is 10. In this case, because we have a less than or equal to, we want to type in true. And parentheses, and then you hit enter. And that would be the probability. I hope this video has been helpful.